We're going forward. Oh, there we go. I don't know. Anything else you want? Oh, right now I'm gonna just roll over, huh? Okay.
Delilah.
There's Delilah's first crawling today. Her incentive? A coffee cup lid. Be my little gourmand.